Good day, and you are welcome to today's physics class. My name is Nuruddin Busari, and I want to take you on electrical mensuration, shunts, multipliers, and bridge circuits. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe electrical mensuration. You'll be able to state electrical quantities that shunt, multiplier, and bridge circuits can be used to measure. And you will also be able to solve simple calculation on electrical measurements. Introduction. Electrical mensuration is the act of measuring electrical quantities. Just like everyone measures, whether you are a scientist or not, you measure every day. Whenever you step out of your house and sense that the weather is cold, you have measured with your sense. But scientists are more accurate because of the procedure they follow and the tools and the technology they are using. So scientists can measure electrical quantities. Measurement of electrical quantities may be done to measure electrical parameters of a system. Some measurable electrical quantities are voltage, electrical current, electrical resistance, and so on. Shunt. Shunt is a resistor connected in parallel with the galvanometer while converting the galvanometer into ammeter. The shunt is a low resistance wire and is used to divert a large part of current being measured, but to only allow a small current to pass through the galvanometer. Shunt resistor. Shunt resistor can be expressed mathematically as follows. Rs equal to IGRG divided by I minus Ig, where Ig is galvanometer current, Rg is galvanometer resistance. Voltage multiplier. The voltage multiplier is an electronic circuit that delivers the output voltage whose amplitude or peak value is 2, 3 or more times greater than the amplitude or peak value of the input voltage. Bridge circuits are often used to measure unknown resistance, like R4 in the shown bridge circuit, by using fixed values for two of the resistors, R1 and R3 in this case, and varying the other resistor, R2. Bridge circuits can be used to measure all kinds of electrical values, not only resistance. It can be used to measure all kinds of electrical values. Class exercise. A galvanometer has a resistance of 5 ohm. By using a shunt wire of resistance 0.05 ohm, the galvanometer could be converted to an ammeter capable of reading 2 ampere. What is the current through the galvanometer? From the question, we are given galvanometer resistance to be 5 ohm, shunt resistance to be 0.05 ohm. Total current in the circuit were also given to be 2 ampere. From the former mathematical expression of shunt resistance, we can make Ig, galvanometer current, to be subject to a formula to become RSI divided by Rs plus Rg. And that gives us 0.05 times 2 divided by 5.05. And that gives us 0.0189 ampere as the value of galvanometer current. Summary. From this lesson today, we have been able to learn that electrical mensuration is the act of measuring electrical quantities. Some measurable electrical quantities are voltage, electric current, electric resistance, and so on. Shunts, multipliers, and bridge circuits are used to measure electrical quantities. Assignments. In order to convert galvanometer into ammeter, the shunt resistance must be connected in dash to the galvanometer. A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Direct. Option D. Indirect. Send your answers or inquiries to gmasmith@edufirst.ng. Thank you.